the template kasi nga, they might not take ownership of that after sending it there.
That's
So,
true.
baka tayo yung
Okay.
balikan.
Yeah. Save our ass.
The ones that invite
Wait lang, be.
more.
Wait lang ah. Hang on. Marami yung icon. Marami yung icon. How many do you have in your icon?
100
Kung gagawin natin yon na mag-send pa tayo ng, hindi, okay lang yung sending ng email. Kaso madami din nasa Angus. Ang trabaho nun, be. Parang kagaya na ng sending
No,
receipt.
because hindi naman natin kailangan
How many
tapusin ang
emails
araw
to
na
work on
yun.
today?
Yeah, because
It's not sure that we will finish it today.
to clarify, we are still going to have the our scorecard is still going to be the complete scorecard, and then the inbound scorecard will start in April. Yeah.
But we're going to take in calls na on Monday.
Yes.
So
But
are we
we are
going just
still
to...
going to stay as one team pa.
Right, so doing this email is like singit-singit pa sa inbound
Yes.
time natin na parang...
Yeah, wait.
Sure.
I have a suggestion.
That's
Why not
unfair.
we focus first on, kasi 108 kayo, para ma-clear lang muna natin yung
Ayaw
bucket.
nga ng boss.
Focus muna natin yung,
Hi,
i-distribute
Barbs.
na, tapusin muna natin yung nasa Angus, then we go to our respective icons. Can we do that first?
Do you think there's a lot?
This is how I see it. Kaya na naman ako, no? Yung sa icon natin ngayon, i-close natin siya once na send na natin yung referral. Meaning to say,
Bakla ilong naman, ano ka pa?
hindi ko na makain. Meaning to say, we're sending back to this agent. Ganyan. So, na-close na yung icon natin. Tapos na send na natin yung email, i-attach natin yung email doon, yung may template. Oo. Meaning to say, close na talaga sa atin, napunta na sa kanya ulit.